Hello, David here, and the project for today is making Panko breaded cod. Got some wild Pacific cod over there. Got a dredging station, eggs. I got a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, a half a cup of flour, teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, teaspoon of salt. I'm going to be following my eggplant parmesan recipe, and that was baked rather than fried, and I'm going to bake this rather than fry it too because it's supposed to be healthier. However, I'm modifying the recipe. Instead of having 3 dredging stations, I'm only going to have 2 dredging stations, and I'm going to skip the one where you put flour on first and then egg and then the flour and panko breadcrumb mix. I'm just going with the egg, and I've got all the spices mixed in with the flour and the panko breadcrumbs. I hope it works. I don't know if it's going to work. And also got some potato wedges. I've got that on an oiled sheet, and I'm going to start that now because I think it's going to cook a little bit longer than the fish. Got the oven at 350. I'm going to put it in for about, I don't know, 10 or 12 minutes and then flip them. Well, that's baking. Let's make some tartar sauce. I'm going to start with some capers. I always do the capers first because they have to be smashed. Put in about a teaspoon. I didn't hear a bell. Dill relish. Heaping teaspoon. Mayonnaise. Heaping tablespoon. Let's put 2 in there. I could need some Tabasco. I'm going to go burn the potatoes. So this is it. The cod has to be cooked to an internal temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Got the tartar sauce, the potatoes. I'm ready to eat. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.